Is Newton trading legit? Intro. Hook. Hey there, you could turn a small investment into a substantial profit, all from the comfort of your home. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what many people hope to achieve with platforms like Newton Trading. But is it legit? Let's dive into the details and find out. Context. Newton Trading is a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows users to buy, sell, and trade various digital assets. With the cryptocurrency market booming in recent years, platforms like Newton have gained significant attention. But as with any investment opportunity, it's crucial to approach it with caution and do your due diligence. Part 1. Understanding Newton Trading. What is Newton Trading? Briefly explain the platform's core features and how it works. Key features highlight the platform's benefits, such as user-friendly interface, low fees, and a wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. Security measures discuss the security measures Newton Trading has in place to protect user funds, including cold storage and two-factor authentication. Part 2. Is Newton Trading legit? Regulatory compliance. Explore whether Newton Trading operates within the legal framework of the jurisdictions it serves. Discuss any relevant licenses or registrations. Customer reviews and testimonials. Share feedback from real users who have experienced the platform firsthand. Look for both positive and negative reviews to get a balanced perspective. Comparison with other platforms. Compare Newton Trading to other popular cryptocurrency exchanges to identify its strengths and weaknesses. Potential risks and drawbacks. Address the potential risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies, such as market volatility and the possibility of scams. Part 3. Should you use Newton Trading? Factors to consider. Discuss the factors that individuals should consider before deciding to use Newton Trading, including their investment goals, risk tolerance, and level of experience. Tips for safe trading. Provide practical tips for safe and responsible trading on Newton Trading, such as setting stop-loss orders and diversifying your portfolio. Alternatives to consider. Mention other reputable cryptocurrency exchanges that users might want to explore. Conclusion. Recap key points. Summarize the main points discussed in the video, including the legitimacy of Newton Trading, its key features, and the risks involved in cryptocurrency investing. Final thoughts. Offer your final thoughts on whether Newton Trading is a suitable platform for different types of investors. Call to action. Encourage viewers to conduct their own research and make informed decisions based on their individual circumstances. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.